Don't think that corruption is another corruption, where somebody says, give me 2 million, give me 3 million. You are also corrupt. You are part of the corrupt officials because you cheat time.
Health Center 3 incharges in the district of Kabale have been asked to apologize to the Ministry of Health through the State House Health Monitoring Unit over organized absenteeism following a report for the last 2 months.
And there are very many young girls in the barracks.
Janet Twesugome, the in-charge Kamgangu Health Center 3, Maureen Chilunji, the in-charge Muhala Health Center 3, and Innocent Agaba, the in-charge Kahalo Health Center 3, are the 3 in-charges on spot of absenteeism that were asked to present apologies to the State House Health Monitoring Unit after reports indicate that they have worked for less than 20 days for the last 2 months. These health workers admitted to this case of absenteeism, though claiming it has been caused by several different factors.
The absenteeism, I think there has been a challenge of
Order.
not signing on the deal attendances. That one I admit, and I promised that it would change.
You are being corrupt and robbing government fine.
Yes, I am.
When you call it?
Forgive us. Forgive and forgive us.
Okay. That kind of apology.
We work on patients every time we pass. I don't think we have chased any patient depending on the time that patient has come.
The Assistant Director Health Monitoring Unit, Dr. Brad Alinitwe, said that organized absenteeism is the major problem facing the health sector in Kabale district.
The biggest problem with the health sector in Kabale right now is what we call organized absenteeism. Surely we had to talk about that. Okay? Where there is absenteeism that is coordinated and it is affecting health service delivery in this district. The people we made to sit here in front were the ones that we might as well refer to as the worst performing in terms of time. Okay? You heard what I talked about time. We said if you cheat time, you are also corrupt. Okay? So, these ones, I wanted them to sit because we had the option of taking most drastic action, like an arrest or what, but we just sometimes we look at these cases and we realize that, you know what, there are other ways of talking to people to take this issue seriously.
When asked about the issue of absenteeism, the Kabale District Health Officer Alfred Kigezi says that they have been aware of this case in the health centers, though all their hopes to fight it have been with the in-charge.
We are aware of the organized absenteeism because we have provided shift. Not necessarily those specific staffs, but because we have some staffs we have got the want because of that, and we expect our in-charges, who are always at facilities, to support us in that. So at times, because we are not always available at the facilities, some of these health workers take that advantage, and that's why we are tasking the in-charges to be responsible for any absenteeism identified. But now we have people on the ground. We hope that we are going to address this. We're going to use the patient management committees, the LCC chairpersons, and also sub-county chiefs to support us in addressing this issue.
He adds on that one of the reasons to this absenteeism is because of lack of accommodation to the health workers.
Some reason is for some of those whom we have picked. Most of our staffs stay far, and therefore they put in some transport every day. And they think if I can work a few days, then I will have saved some money. So that's one of the biggest challenges that is affecting the health workers, because most of them, they don't have accommodation nearby.
The crime investigator with the State House Health Monitoring Unit, Ntumwa Gilbert, said that absenteeism can lead to charges of duty negligence, which is likely to be accompanied by bribery, forgery, and being responsible if a patient gets any problem, including death.
These offenses that we charge people under Anti-Corruption Act, and some of them, there are those which you don't see. There are those which you may not know that they are terrible offenses. Absenteeism can cause you a problem, and you can be charged of either criminal negligence, you taken under anti-corruption. You are not at the duty station and someone dies there. Yet it is clear on the duty roster that you are supposed to be there.
The State House team of the Health Monitoring Unit visited the district of Kabale to evaluate the operation at government health centers. Nobody Ngamachi for Kigezi Television.